Alright, hello everyone. Okay, welcome back to the session of PSLE Maths. Okay, I'm Coach Mo again. I'm from MasterMaths. Alright, okay, so today we're gonna be doing a topic on circles. Okay, so I understand today is like a particularly primary 6 topic. Okay, but don't worry, okay, whenever comes to area about come to a question about area or parameter, okay, I will try to provide the formula that you need to calculate the area of circle or the parameter or the outline of the circle. Okay, all right. Okay, so those who are here, okay, you can start to share this live. Okay, get more people to join in. Okay, those already here, welcome. Okay, at the same time, okay, do help to share this live with your friends. Okay, all right, your friends that are also currently on holidays. Okay, all right, get them all to join in. Okay, maybe today is their lucky day because later on you'll be having a Kahoot. You can see I'm on standby about to start the Kahoot. Okay, so the top winner for today will be getting a $10 popular voucher. Okay, you can go to popular, buy stationaries, buy assessment books. Okay, yeah. So again, my name is Coach Mo. Okay. All right. So get all your friends to join in. Okay, we can have more people here, and then more people can join the Kahoot, and then more people will stand a chance. Okay, probably in line lah to win the voucher. Okay, but the top for today will be getting the $10 popular voucher. Okay, how to join? Just hold on a moment. I'll be starting soon. Okay, I got the WS, but I haven't do yet. Oh, the worksheet. Okay. I thought why WhatsApp? I thought WS is WhatsApp. Okay, don't worry. Okay, you can start trying now while I wait for people to join in. Okay. Aww. Okay, alright. Okay, hello everyone again. So the topic for today is on circles. So we'll be doing like area of circles. Remember area of circle, pi times r times r. Okay, what is r? R is radius. Okay, and diameter is 2 times of radius. Radius is from the center to the side. Okay, and diameter is from side to side, passing through the center. Okay, so I'm already giving you a hint. Okay, this is like the answer for question 1 actually. Okay, so what else? So it's like if you need to find the the curve part of the circle, the length. Okay, it's 2 pi, as in pi times diameter. Okay, pi times diameter. Okay, okay. Okay, alright. Come on, get more people to join in. Okay, go and share this live with your friends and all that. Okay, term 1 ended too fast. Okay, there are many more terms to come, Dila. Don't worry, okay? There are total of 3 years, right? Poly, right? Yeah. So, there will be a total of 12 terms. So, you are only finishing first term only. Okay, there are 11 more terms to go. Okay, don't worry. Enjoy it while it lasts. Alright, good. Get all those likes started, okay? Okay, alright, okay. Hello, okay. Alright, go and share this with your friends, your classmates, right? Maybe you got like group chats with your classmates and all that. Go and share it with them. Okay, hello. Record for what? Record for number of likes, is it? Hello. Alright, welcome. Okay, those who just joined, welcome. Okay, do hang in there a while. I will be starting the Kahoot in a moment. Okay, in the meantime, go and share this with your friends, okay? Okay. Alright, the topic for today will be on circles, okay? So there will be questions like about finding the area, finding the perimeter. Okay, why you cannot do Kahoot? My background is a virtual background. uh, your parents don't allow. Okay, never mind. Just look at the question on my chat, on my live. Then you try it on your own. Okay. Okay, I'll be showing the game pin now. Okay. The amount of likes, I think record is about 20 something thousand. Okay, so you go to www.kahoot.it, enter 247305. Okay, hello. Okay, 247305. Very good, very good. Come on in, okay? Yes, I think I remember. You were the one who one of the days got, like, from start to the end, got number 1 all the way. Is it? Somebody already said, you always win. All scared already. See, you join all scared already. Alright, come on. Go to www.kahoot.it, enter 247305. Okay, I'll be starting in about I'll be starting in about 3 more minutes. Okay, in the meantime, okay, do help to share this live with your friends. Okay, your school friends, your tuition friends, okay, all your friends, go and share with them. Okay, wait ah. Okay. Okay. Currently we got 21. Okay. There are some more on the live stream. Okay. Go to www.kahoot.it, enter 247305. Okay, so if you win again, you still get a $10 popular voucher. Okay. Alright. So those who already joined, okay, go and spam your screen. Okay, go and spam your screen. Okay, just tapping your screen. Okay, go and get the likes up. Okay, I'll be starting in about 2 more minutes. Two more minutes. Today is maths. Yesterday was English. Okay, yesterday was English. Science starting soon. Okay, we already planned to start it, okay, but still in preparation. Okay, I'll be beginning in 1 more minute. Okay, anyone who still haven't joined, okay, come on, go to www.kahoot.it, enter 247305. Okay, I'm gonna put in chat also 247305. Okay, but today the topic is on circles. Okay, so it's not, might be easy for some, might not be easy for some. Okay, so compared to the previous life, I think circles is slightly a bit more challenging. No, not just shapes. Okay, it's finding the area and perimeter of circle also. Okay, all right. Okay, we'll begin in 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Alright, so the use of a calculator is not allowed. Okay, so there will be some questions later. Okay, then you can use calculator. But for a start, okay, don't use calculator. Okay. Question 1. Given that circle, which is the radius, which is the diameter? Okay, which is... Okay, very good. Most of you selected number 2. Okay. Okay, very good. Resilient ocelot. Okay, with the highest point so far. Then we got the phenomenal badger. Okay, 940. Then we got the determined manatee and the vibrant lion at 928 and 928. Okay, then peaceful hamster also very close. Okay, 926. All right, very good, very good. Number 2. Okay, find the perimeter. Okay, calculate the perimeter. Okay, calculate the perimeter. In front there is a semicircle, followed by a equilateral triangle. Okay, so how will the equilateral triangle help you to get the diameter? for you to calculate that circumference of that semicircle. Okay, remember just now I mentioned the circumference is pi times diameter for a full circle, but this one half a circle, so half. Okay, very good. The front one is in terms of pi, so we calculate, we get 4 pi then plus 16 because plus 8 plus 8. Okay. Okay, so this is circles, okay? Okay, phenomenal badger. Okay, just 40 points behind the resilient ocelot. Okay, now let's go to next question. Okay, this one is the find the distance between A and B. Okay, find the distance between A and B. Okay, it's made up of revolutions. Okay, so when it turns, right? Okay, because it touches the ground. Okay, so it forms the distance. Okay, all right. You don't have to constantly tell me that you are the resilient ocelot. You just tell me one. Can already. Okay. Okay, so the revolution gives the distance, but there's two. Okay, the one on the left and the one on the right. Okay. Okay, but take note about the distance covered, okay, by the circle. There is some portion there that is not covered by the circle. Okay, that one you need to add separately. The radius is 3.5 cm. Okay. I think so for today, yeah. I think he will continue next week. Okay, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, yes, the answer is 227, okay? So it is not 220, okay, because you can see that in the center, right? Okay. Okay, you can see that in the center there, when the wheel touches together, okay, the point that touches the ground in the center of the circle. So there's that distance between the center of one circle to the center of the other circle. So this adds up to 2 radius. That's why you must plus 7, okay, for those who got 220. Okay. Yes, so the answer is 227. Okay, now we got the determined manatee at second place. Okay, where the resilient ocelot still at first place. Okay, even the third place all are close by. Okay, so still got chance. Alright, now question 4 is a type answer. Okay, so you need to find the area of the smaller square, where the big square is 100 cm square. So you need to find the area of the smaller square. Okay, how are you going to find the area of the smaller square? Alright, what you can imagine is like the distance between one side of the square, the diagonal of the square is actually the diameter, right? So at the same time, what is the diameter of the circle? Okay, where the hint is that the area of the largest square is 100 cm square. So how? Okay, so just now I give you all the hint is that use the diagonal of the square, where the diagonal of the square is the diameter of the circle. Using that, you can solve this question, but what is the diameter of the circle? Okay, just type the answer, don't need to put the units, okay? Rotate the square 45 degrees. Which square? The big square or the small square? Which one should I rotate? What is bombo clat? Okay, yes, the answer is 50. Wait, did anyone like put with the unit? Nobody. Okay. Okay, now we got the vibrant lion taking over the second place. Okay, let's go. Alright, so before we go on to the next question, okay, so yeah, a bit of introduction again. We are from MasterMaths, okay, my name is Coach Mo. So what we do is we provide tuition services lah, basically, okay, for maths. Maths is from P1 all the way to O levels, okay, and then we also provide PS for science, okay, for primary school science from P3 to P6. We also do P6 English. So if you're interested to try out any of these 3 subjects, okay, you can scan a QR code on my screen right now, okay, to book a free trial. Okay, especially now during the June holidays, okay, you all wanna go and try it out, okay? You can book a free trial, the QR code on the right, okay? Or you really wanna go and sign up for our lessons already, there's enroll QR code on the left, okay? So it's up to you guys. Okay, we are in multiple locations, okay? Our centers are, okay, we may have it in the future, but I'm not gonna confirm anything right now. Okay, but yeah. But for now, it's just English, okay? Okay, so we got, what's the thing called? Woodlands, okay? We are at Woodlands, we got at Farrer Park, we are at Tampines, we are at Jurong East, and then we also got an, like a purely online option, okay? At the same time, right, the schedules for these 4 centers, you can either attend to the center, or you can also just tune in online, okay? There's an online option also. Yup, Coach Irfan, yes, he's the best, especially for primary 6 and those taking O levels. Yeah. Okay. And for myself also, I'm usually at Farrer Park. Okay, so but I'm doing mostly on the primary lah. Okay, the P4, P5, P6. Okay, yeah. Okay, now let's go. Now can use calculator. Okay. So for those who don't have your calculators with you right now, okay, go and get your calculators. Okay, quickly go get your calculators. I'm gonna press next in 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8. Iman Amelia, is it? 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Yes, I know she's in my class at Farrer Park. Yeah. Oh. Okay, now another type question. Okay, but now here, find the parameter of the shaded part. Okay, come on, don't put your answers there. It might be correct, it might be wrong, we don't know. Okay, but if everyone starts to use that answer, either everyone is correct or everyone is wrong. How? Okay, so the hint here is you can like the one on the inside, okay, the inside curve is the same as the outside curve. So when you transfer it outside, it becomes a full circle. That's the only hint I'm gonna give. Okay, use pi to be 3.14. Okay, y'all got 2 more minutes. Okay, now someone else said 188.4. So which one? Like I said, the hint just now. The inside that one, you can transfer it outside. Okay, so when you transfer it out, it becomes a full circle. Remember, this one is a parameter question, not an area question. If it's an area question, then yeah, it could be tougher, okay? But this is a parameter question. Okay, y'all got 1 more minute. Okay, we are already at 11K, okay? Why not? Those who already put your answers, start to spam the likes. Okay, maybe today we can cross 20 something K. We can even maybe go up to 25K. Alright, come on, just go and spam. Okay, y'all got half a minute left. Half a minute left. Why not? It is, what if it's like 104.5? Or 176.4. Okay, you got 6 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Wow, so many. Just now who put 150 something? There I say, don't trust. Okay, go and try and calculate yourself. I already gave the hint. Okay, it will form a full circle. So how you going to find the parameter of a full circle? So these 7 of you, wait, there's 1 person more. Wait, let me accept this answer. Okay, anyone else close to the answer? Nope. Okay, so yes, you need to calculate full circle. 94, but don't have 94 here. You mentioned you wrote 94, but there's no 94 in the answer. Did you actually submit your answer? Okay. Okay, now we got Vibrant Lion still close by, okay, with 47 points difference. So still got hope, I think, still got hope. Okay. Okay, now let's go to the next one. Okay, this one also, type your answer. Okay, now they say that the length of the square is 28 cm. Find the area of the shaded part. Okay, this one I give you another hint. There are 4 shaded parts here. The top left, the top right, the bottom left, the bottom right, right? What if I can bring all this to the top left? Right, if I can bring all this to the top left, you see it's just a square where the center circle is cut off. Okay. Where to type the answer is on your device. On your device, there's supposed to be a place to type the answer. To the center also can. Maybe you need to wait a while for the space to come out. Sometimes it loads slowly. Okay, don't type here, don't type here. You might type the wrong answer again. Sometimes it takes a while. Sometimes for some reason it just doesn't show up. It's this sometimes network problem. Okay, 1 more minute. But once it shows up, quickly write down your answer, okay? Okay, 15 seconds left. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Yes, the answer is 42, okay? Anyone else put anything that is resembling 42? Nope. Okay. Submit. Oh no! Resilient Ocelot dropped to 3rd place. Okay, now we got the Vibrant Lion, 1st place. Okay, with a few points behind is the Dandy Wallaby. Okay? Okay, now. Okay, now let's go. Solve the following again. Now we got this triangle that is outside. Okay? We got one more question after this. Altogether, there are 8 questions. Okay, for this question, right? This shaded part, you can like form another triangle here. Cut, okay, from that side to C. That shaded part can go over. Okay, you can, all these questions sometimes you need to apply a bit of cut and paste. Okay, you need to try to visualize how to shift it around and all that. Actually, the last one is the easiest because it is simply your overlapping figures question. Alright, so it's like if there's an overlap, okay, how are you going to find the area of the whole figure? Okay, there's only a bit of area of circles being involved in the last question. Okay, about 1.5 minutes more. 1 more minute. Okay, yes, there will be 1 more question after this, okay? Once we are done with the question number 8, we will be going through the solutions, okay, like how I got all those answers. Okay, then you'll understand how to actually apply all this. If let's say you got a figure like this in your WA3 or even your prelims later on, okay? Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, yes, the answer is 196. Okay, I think there isn't any that is close by. Okay, because someone just now mentioned 259 on the chat. Okay, and then somebody actually went to put 259 as the answer. Okay, we still got the vibrant lion, okay, at the first place. Alright, 7,872 points. And the dandy wallaby very close also with 7,857. Alright, okay, now let's go to the last question. This one, okay, you got two semicircles overlap each other. So they want to find the area of this figure, okay, but there's an overlap there. Okay, so how do you remove that overlap? Okay, as I expected, okay, this boy, Sec 3 boy who mentioned he's always in the first, is basically just claim that he's the first. He's not actually the first. Okay, might not even be in the code. That's why danger, right? You really in the first. Just now you claim you are the resilient ocelot. Now, resilient ocelot third place already. Alright. Come on, let's go. Okay. Remember, so this kind of question, when you got an overlapping figure, right? Don't just simply plus the two figures together. Remember, you need to minus one of the overlap. Okay, so when you plus the two figures, you need to minus one overlap. Alright, that's the hint I'm gonna give you guys. When you plus the two figures, minus one overlap. Okay, we got 1.5 minutes more. Okay, when you plus the two figures, you minus one overlap. Okay, why suddenly someone say call Uber? There's no Uber in Singapore. Alright, after this I'll be going through the solutions, then we'll end the live, okay? Alright, 1 more minute. Okay, 1 more minute. Alright, come on, spam the likes. Okay, go and spam your screen. Okay, and also those who are new, okay, if let's say you have never seen our live before, alright, there is that follow button, okay, that plus button. Go and click that. Okay, follow us so you'll be notified on upcoming lives. Okay. Okay, 19 seconds more. Okay, I do not. Why do you ask me that? Alright, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. more than 1. Okay, so this is the one which is 259, okay? Not just now 259. Wait, let me see. Anyone got like put decimal point? Someone say 999. Someone put 254. Okay, but everything else I cannot accept lah, okay? Alright, okay, so remember? Alright, so if you think that you got the first place, go and save this QR code. And remember, when you scan this QR code, you must submit a screenshot showing that you are first place. Okay? Okay, you must submit a screenshot that shows your first place and submit into this form, okay? Or you can remember this website also, tinyurl/live class winner. You can save this URL, so later you can submit your screenshot onto this URL. Okay, alright. Okay, I hope you're ready. Let's see who is the first place. Okay, number 3 is Resilient Ocelot, okay? Number 2 is Dandy Wallaby. And number 1, we got a Vibrant Lion. Okay, good job, okay? So, Vibrant Lion, remember to take a screenshot, okay, of showing that you're first place. And remember to submit onto the website just now, okay? Okay, within 10, 9, 8, okay, I think we can just go to the solution. Okay, so Vibrant Lion, remember to claim your $10 popular voucher, okay? Okay, now okay, good job. Alright, so this is the one just now I mentioned, right? Okay, so to find the figure of the area of the whole figure, like I said just now, you must find the sum minus 1 overlap. Okay, so 2 semicircle plus together is basically area of 1 full circle, right? So that's why pi times r times r. Why 10? Because the diameter is 20 cm. So the radius is 10 cm. Minus 1 overlap, minus 55. So 314 minus 55, 259 cm square. Okay? Alright. As we go along, if you all got any questions, just put on the chat, okay? So this one just now, right? Actually, what you can do is you can form another line, because this is the center, right? Okay. Wait, let me... Where is the pointer? This one. So you see, this is the center. So from the center to the side, basically they form same sector. Alright, okay. Don't worry about copying, okay. Just remember this Telegram channel here, MasterMaths PSLE. Alright, join this Telegram channel, you will be getting the solutions there. Alright, main thing right now, just try to understand first, okay. So when they form the same sector, that means I can shift this over. So once I shift this over here, now you get a triangle. So just simply, it's about area of triangle. Okay. So some of you got no Telegram. Okay, let me show this again. Okay, those who got no Telegram, you can try ask your parents lah, okay? Okay, can ask your parents to join this channel, and then after that can download from their phone. Okay. Because by joining this channel also, you'll be getting all our past worksheets. So it's like additional practice for everyone also. Okay, so just now I mentioned about I can transfer the sector over. Then I find area of triangle. So half times the base and the height. What is the height? The height is actually the radius. You see, this is the same as this. So that's why the height is 28 divided by 2 is 14. Okay, so half times 28 times 14 and 196. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay, those who are still copying, come. Okay, copy first. Okay. Okay, so I think just now somebody mentioned about transferring all the shaded part to the center. Also can, okay. The other way is you can transfer all to the top left also, to make it like a square minus the circle in the center, then you get all the sides. Okay, so that is what I did here. If you want to do in the center, also can. Okay, from the center also is basically like a square minus 4 quadrant, which is the same as minus a circle. Okay, once I'm done with the solution, that's it for today. Okay, don't worry. So basically the area of the shaded part is the square minus the circle. So the square is 14 times 14. The circle radius is 7. So 22 over 7 times 7 times 7. Okay, then we subtract them, we get 42 cm squared. Okay. I think just now I did source. I think somebody put 196 and somebody put 154. So actually you need to subtract them. Okay. Why 14 times 14? Because like I say, it's the square minus the circle, right? So the sides of the square is 14 cm. Okay. The sides of the square is 14 cm. Okay, so just now this question 5. Alright, what I can do, because basically I want this, followed by this, followed by this, followed by this. Correct, that is the parameter I want. But it's a bit hard to calculate this portion here. Instead, what I can do is, can transfer this to the other side. Same thing here, transfer to the other side. So now you will get a full circle. Okay, so just find one full circle. Pi times diameter 94.2 cm. Alright, anyone, any parts you are not sure, feel free to put on the chat, okay? Okay, question 4. To find the smallest square. Right? So we can, the thing is, the side of the square is the diameter, right? So the diagonals are also the diameter. So when I cut it into 4, the square is made up of 4 of this triangle. So each of these is 5 cm. Okay, so it's 4 times of each of this triangle. So 4 times of half times 5 times 5 equals to 50 cm square. Okay, cut into 4, form a triangle. Okay, now question 3. Like I say, this is about the revolution, right? Okay, so 5 revolution to the left, 5 revolution to the right. Okay, wait, sorry. How do I get 5? So firstly, they say the area of the largest square is 100. 100 is formed by, when I take the square root, right, I get 10. It's formed by 10 times 10. So the diameter is 10. Okay, but the thing is, the side to side here is also 10 because it's also the diameter. I want the half of it only. That's why 10 divided by 2, 5. Alright, does that answer your question? Okay, good. So now this one. 5 revolution to the left, 5 revolution to the right, right? Which is 5 times circumference, 5 times circumference. But the thing is, your circle starts from here to here, here to here. We are missing this center portion. That center portion is your R and R. 3.5 plus 3.5 or 3.5 times 2, that is 7. That's why after calculating the 10 revolution, I plus 7 equals to 227. Okay? Okay, now we go to this one. This one is the easier one also. How you got 40 or something? 40 or something. Where got 40? You're asking which one? The 40 something. Question 3 or question 2? Oh, okay. Yeah, so the question 2. Oh, question 3. Oh, that one is not 40. That one is 10. Sorry. This one is 10. This is a 10. Okay? Okay, now we go to the next one. This one is about perimeter, right? Okay, so it's circumference of this semicircle plus 8 plus 8. So here, the half, so that means semicircle is half times pi times 8. Why 8? Because it's equilateral triangle. Okay, so 8, 8, 8. Alright, this is PSLE maths, okay, primary 6. So half times pi times 8 is 4 pi. Okay, so 4 pi plus 8 become 4 pi plus 16 cm. Alright, last question for today. Okay, so a radius is from the center to the side, okay, or edge to the side. And the diameter is from edge to edge passing through the center. Okay, that's why the radius is O, can be OF, OE or OC, but the diameter is the one that is always wrong. Okay, because here BD doesn't pass through the side, and FC pass through the side. It pass through the center, but they say BP is the radius. Okay, BP is not the radius. So that's why the answer is number 2. OE and FC. Okay, next time this kind of question can do elimination also lah. Alright, so that's it for today. Okay, So today we do circles. Probably next week we'll do like volume. Okay, I'm planning to do volumes. Okay, yeah, circles just for today. Alright, then eventually we'll do like a mix of topics for revision. Okay, like probably like the whole thing is a paper one revision, or the whole thing is a paper two revision. Alright, yep, okay, yes, the likes are very good. Thank you very much. Okay, maybe next time we can go higher. Alright, okay, thank you very much, everyone. Okay, and continue to enjoy your holidays, while at the same time remember to continue your revisions. Alright, thank you again, everyone, and see you all next Friday at 8:30 p.m. on MasterMaths channel. Okay, thank you, everyone. Good night. Bye bye. Bye, everyone. You're welcome, everyone. Bye bye.